Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to another mall located in Selangor also. It's called Space U8. So this mall was built in 2011, which is 13 years ago. Optimus Prime. Okay, Space U8 is located in Bukit Jelutong, TDDI Jaya area. Okay, and just to show you some of the reviews. This is from a Trip Advisor. Okay, Trip Advisor. So, like this guy says that this mall has been around for several years. No popular fast food, only some local eateries. I saw a man conducting land survey inside the mall. Apparently, the owners want to convert the ground into a futsal arena. Okay, there is a MBO cinema here. Good choice for movies as parking is free. Haha. Okay, I'm not sure whether MBO is still around because yeah, we'll just go and have a look later. Yeah. Huge area and quiet. Okay. Once MBO goes, so will the mall shops. Okay, this mall opened with much funfair 5 years ago or so. Expectations were high then as Aeon Shah Alam had not opened, and there was no cineplex in the popular giant Shah Alam. Okay, so this was in 2019 lah. So let's take a walk around. Okay, this is outside of the mall. This is my first time here, and I observed that this area actually is more to the industrial side of the Bukit Jelutong, not at the Bukit Jelutong housing area. So it's closer towards TDDI Jaya site. Just to share with you their Facebook screenshot back in 2009 before it was built. So you can see the concept is a sumo shop unit mall office concept. And this is a screenshot from HProp website on the launching date of this mall, which was in June 2011. So right now it's around 11 o'clock in the morning. Oh, so really there is a futsal court here. Wow. Okay. So they really converted this place into a futsal mall. Nice. Futsal. In this one for maybe some wedding events. This shop here. Oh, there's still an MBO cinema lah. Okay, I can go up and see later. But yeah, okay. So basically this mall has been converted, the main concourse area has been converted into a futsal arena. This one is like a tennis. It's like some sort of tennis, a small court. I'm not sure what's the court. Let's go and see. I'm not sure exactly what is this called. But you can see this mall is like an open concept lah, right? You know, you have the big fence here. So this one basically is like a, how you say, offices. Yeah. I don't know why they call it a mall. You call it a office building, lifestyle office building. I'm not sure what sport is this called. Does anybody know? Can you please leave a comment? Let me know what sport is this called. It's something like a tennis game, but it's not tennis. The rackets are very short. Okay, let's see how to go upstairs. Let's go upstairs. Maybe. So this is the first floor. I don't really call it a mall, but yeah, it's nice that they converted this into a sports area. So this is you have quite a few futsal courts. I think there's 1, 2 or 3. So I'm on the 3rd floor, and yes, MBO is still open. So there's an MBO here. There's a water feature at the leaf here. Waterfall. bumblebee. Thanks for watching, guys. I just want to share with you. This is the mall, Space UK Mall.